the West Virginia Nursing Scholarship Program. The West Virginia Nursing Scholarship Program provides scholarships to LPN, RN, LPN Teaching Certificate, and master's or doctoral nursing students. In exchange for agreeing to complete a service obligation in West Virginia, participants receive scholarship funds for their nursing programs. The program is jointly administered by the West Virginia Center for Nursing and the West Virginia Higher Education Policy Commission. Eligibility requirements. Requirements for all applicants include being enrolled at least half-time in an accredited West Virginia nursing program, being in good academic standing, and having a cumulative in nursing GPA set by the center's recruitment and retention committee. Specific requirements for LPN and RN applicants include meeting their nursing midpoint date. Nursing midpoint date is the date in which an applicant has completed at least 50% of the nursing curriculum needed to obtain a degree, excluding pre or co-requisite requirements. Graduate nursing requirements include being employed as a nursing educator at a West Virginia School of Nursing while enrolled in a nursing graduate program. In order to accept an award, you must sign a promissory note within 1 week of award notification. Award amounts vary each year based on the availability of funds, and total awards within an academic year may be less than the maximum amount allowed for in West Virginia State Code. Maximum awards allowed per year are for LPNs, $3,000 per year, for RNs, $7,500 per year, and for graduate nurses, $15,000 per year. Awards for LPNs are distributed once per year once the recipient has met their nursing midpoint date. RN and graduate nursing recipients are distributed on a per semester basis in the fall, spring, and summer semesters. Service obligations. LPNs are required to complete a 1-year service obligation working full-time at a location that is within West Virginia. The position must have a minimum requirement of an LPN license. RN requirements require a 2-year service obligation, full-time employment located in West Virginia, in a position that must have a minimum requirement of an RN license. Graduate nurse requirements include a 2-year service obligation, full-time employment, and that full-time employment can be met through more than one form of employment. At a minimum, at least half of the recipient's employment must be as a nursing educator. Positions must be as a nursing educator in West Virginia in part or in total. Employment verification. Within 6 months of graduating from your nursing program, you must submit employment verification that you have started completing the service obligation and submit verification each year until the service obligation is complete. If you cannot complete the service obligation and verify your service obligation as required, you will be required to repay the award plus any interest. If you are completing the service obligation but do not submit verification, you may be turned over for repayment. If you get into this situation, contact the center immediately so the situation can be fixed. The application process. The application cycle is open from April 15th through June 1st of each year. The application form can be found at www.wvcenterfornursing.org. Be sure to apply for all terms in which you will be taking classes and would like to receive an award. And be sure to use your personal email address. Email is the primary method of communication after you graduate, along with text if you have provided a cell phone number. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Our website is www.wvcenterfornursing.org. Our phone number is 304-558-0838. And our email address is nursing@wvhepc.edu. Thank you.